Hi guys, how you going? We've been harvesting a lot of kohlrabi from the garden lately, and I just thought I'd film a short video again and show people what kohlrabi looks like, because a lot of people don't actually know what kohlrabi is. I've been telling a few people, look, I've been eating this kohlrabi, it's really good fresh. It's really nice if you fry it up in a pan as well, and you can eat the leaves off of it, and it's tasty. It's sort of like it's a brassica, but it sort of tastes a bit like kale, but a bit sweeter. I guess for some people it's probably more palatable than kale. Some people don't like the taste of kale, but there are different kales out there, so if you don't like one variety, try another one. Anyway, this is our kohlrabi bed. So yeah, you can see the leaves actually look a bit like kale and a bit like broccoli. This is part of that family, the brassica family. And so if we take a look down under here, so you can see it growing there, and you can see it's got like it's like a bulb. Yeah, it's a lovely looking thing. So you can see the main part you eat is mainly this bulb and the top leaves. I've had like some of them have gone like elongated, or they want to shoot and bolt early, and that could be, you know, that variety, that seed just wanted to bolt earlier, got a bit more sun. Those ones that are a little bit more of an oval shape rather than round, those oval shaped ones are still good to eat. You just have to chop the bottom, say, quarter off, because they're a bit more woody. The top 3/4 is fine, and it's really nice to eat. You can grate it in salad, you can fry it in a pan, you can eat the leaves fresh. I like to fry them up for my breakfast, actually, with a few other things, a bit of garlic, a bit of chili, and they're quite nice like that. See if I can find one that's a bit more woody. So here's a good example here. I'll take this leaf off. So this one here, you can see it's a small one, but it's tending to be quite long. You can see it there. Where that one behind it over here, if you can see, it's got a bit more of a bulb. So this one's perfect. They're both good for eating, but this one here, you'll be able to eat the whole thing. Where this one here, I find, will be a little bit more woody, so you sort of just cut it off down here and eat that part. So yeah, some good things about kohlrabi is they're actually frost hardy. They don't mind the frost. These guys they've copped the frost and they're looking lovely. The leaves were frozen at one point and they just kept on going. So now you know what kohlrabi is. Really nice, grated in a salad, good addition to a salad. I quite like it fried up a little bit for me breakfast with a bit of garlic and chili. You can eat the leaves green. You can eat the leaves fresh, you don't need to cook them. Quite tasty, very hardy as well. They don't mind the frost, they don't mind cool temperatures. So yeah, hopefully that might get some people out there growing some little bit of alternative stuff. Alright, see you in the next one.